want to show you our newest product that's coming off our mold right now. This is 1x8. It's a pattern 1/16. It's got a 1/2 inch T&G on. And we make it in a blue stain. We make it in a white. This is perfect for if you're building like indoor horse stalls, if you're refinishing your basement, if you're taking some type of a game room application for it. You will not be disappointed. The price is right. You're going to save a ton of money coming down here. Full bundles only, but we are looking to sell